Hello everyone, once again I am back with a new sample paper. Again we are going to do 20 very important questions that they have already come in the previous year. Okay, so let's start question number 1. So again you can see the table. This is a very important table. मैंने पहले भी in my previous videos I have shown this type of table and table based questions already I have done. Plus some glass slab based question which are very important, they also might come, that also I've shared in my last video. Chalo, आज we are going to do the next sample paper. Okay, so let's come to the first one. Observe this table. Can you see that here salts are given? Magnesium nitrate, potassium sulfate and calcium nitrate, and this side it is formula written. You need to tell from this salt, we know that the salts are formed from the acid and base reaction, commonly called as neutralization reaction. तो ये जब salt बना बेटा, तो it can be formed from a base and an acid. So you need to tell us कि which acid and which base makes this salt. Let's come to the first one. Can you tell me the base? So अब यहाँ से तो it will be difficult to tell. So come to the option. If they're asking the base, okay, and this is Mg. So we all know that the Mg can be the first, second and third. This is wrong. It never be KOH. It is always Mg. Okay, so first is Mg. It is MgOH2, MgOH2. All the three are correct. Let's come to the next one. Okay, then this side it is potassium sulfate, K2SO4. That means the next will be K and L in both. K2SO4, that means base will be KOH, and since it is SO4, so it can be H2SO4. Yes or no? Fine. So let's see. It is L1 is KOH. L1 is NaOH. So first is also wrong. Now the answer can be B or C. Okay. So this is L is correct. L is correct. M is HNO3. No, it is H2SO4. Why? Because SO4 is here. Okay, so my correct answer is option number C. I hope you have also done the option number C. Now let's come to the next one. Next says, which among the following is a double displacement reaction? We all know that the double displacement reaction is that reaction in which they only interchange their partners. A goes to C or A goes to D and B goes to D. It can be like this or it can be like this. A goes to D and B goes to C, like this. They simply interchange their partner. So let's see which one is a double displacement reaction. Now in the first it never be double displacement. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो single है. This can be the double. This is again wrong. This is again a single. This can be. This is again wrong because this is single. So my correct answer is only 2. My correct answer is B. Very easy one. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Observe the experiment carefully. Okay? Observe this experiment carefully and answer this. So in this the copper is heated. Copper powder is heated. Okay? So when the copper powder, china dish containing copper powder is heated, what is formed? Heated means you are giving oxygen. So Cu plus O2 reaction क्या बनेगा बेटा? Heating means generally you are giving oxygen. Okay? So let's see the option. Copper has absorbed heat. Copper 2 oxide is formed. Copper 1, both A and C are correct. So in the third option, we all know that when the copper is react with oxygen, it forms cupric oxide, that is Cu2O. That means the correct answer will be 3. It is B. I hope it is correct. It never be 1. It is 2O, Cu2O, and this one is formed. Okay, I hope it is clear to you and you have no problem in this. Now let's come to the next one. Okay, there is a graph here that depicts the dilution. What do you mean by dilution? Dilution means होता है adding water. You are adding water to a base. अब जब हम बेस में पानी मिलाएंगे तो उसकी बेसिसिटी कम हो जाएगी. हाँ या ना बेटा? So ये आपको बताना है the pH of the solution changes. So this will be A, B, C, D. पहले देखो strong base था. A means a strong base. Okay, A means a strong base. 7 means neutral. तो जैसे जैसे you are adding water, the basicity goes down. Basicity go down means it comes to the neutral. Okay, so what be the fourth one? So that means which one is dilution changes? So the dilution changes to A, B, C and D. So my correct answer will be D. So D has the lesser dilution and the correct answer is D.
और मम्मी से बात हो गई तुम्हारी फिर?
When an aluminium strip is immersed in a fresh ferrous sulfate, aluminium in ferrous sulfate, a solution to be taken in the test tube, the change will be observed. Fine, so this is nothing but a single displacement reaction. What will happen when aluminium is dipped in a ferrous sulfate? So just check that the green solution, ferrous sulfate is nothing but it is always a green solution. Many times this question is asked. So the green solution turns to brown. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें से आयरन निकल जाएगा, Fe अलग हो जाएगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Turns brown. So the correct answer will be A. Now come to the next one. When universal indicator is added to three unknown solutions P, Q, R, they change blue. इसका मतलब P क्या हो गया? Blue, P हो गया blue, violet, that is Q becomes violet and R becomes orange. Fine. The increasing order of pH. Now universal indicator है, pH के according you need to tell. अब blue, orange, violet कब होगा? ठीक है, तो blue कब होगा, orange कब होगा, violet कब होगा according to pH. So let's check that. So the violet indicates Q, that is Q violet indicates that it is an acid. Okay, so सबसे पहले Q आएगा, उसके बाद में फिर blue indicate that it is a base. Red litmus turns blue, okay, or the universal indicator turns blue. Then सबसे पहले violet, फिर blue that is P, and after that it is R. Fine. So acid, base and salt. Okay. So this will be the correct sequence and the correct answer is C. I hope you have also marked the correct answer. Okay. Next. Okay, the first member of alkyne homologous series. You know that alkyne starts from methane. होता ही नहीं alkyne में, क्योंकि alkyne is triple bond. ठीक है, तो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 2 कार्बन होने चाहिए ना, तो मीथेन नहीं होता, शुरुआत करते हैं हम इथेन से, तो इथेन, इथीन, इथाइन. तो माय करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. Easy question. Now come to the next one. Observe the digestive system and label 1, 2, 3, 4. According to this, there is a function given. You need to tell the function. Okay. So let's come to the first one. A is what? First one. A. First is A is one is gallbladder and secrete trypsin. No. You need to tell the correct identification. So gallbladder never secrete trypsin. Rather, it stores bile. Next, the second one is liver. This is absolutely correct. It secrete bile. So I have got the correct answer. So don't go to the other options. The correct answer is B. So 8th correct answer is B. Okay, let's come to the next one. Now in this question, observe this question carefully. Again a system given. This is known as excretory system. You need to label 1, 2, 3, 4 and there is a correct options given. So let's label it. First, whenever these questions come, always label it. Again, this is renal artery, this is ureter, this is urinary bladder and this is urethra. Okay. Now left renal artery takes blood from kidney to, that is a, write the correct identification. Okay, this is wrong beta. Left ureter secrete urine. No, ureter never secrete urine, rather it passes urine. Urinary bladder stores urine. C is the correct option. Let's come to the D also. Urethra absorb bile. No. From here the micturition takes place. Micturition means the excretion of the urine or removal of urine. Okay. Now let's come to the 10th one. The crossing of homologous tall plant with dwarf yield plant, the ratio is homologous tall plant. Homologous homologous or not a homologous, basically it is a homozygous. Homozygous tall means tall and this is dwarf. ठीक है, so क्या बनेंगे? 2 tall 2 dwarf, no. 1 homologous 1, no. All homologous dwarf, all homo. फर्स्ट जनरेशन में सारे के सारे कैसे बनते हैं? tall. So all tall. So my correct answer is D. Okay, now next one. You might have observed this. This is nothing but a tropism. ठीक है, find KLMN. You need to depict the phototropic and geotropic response. So photo means होता है light और geo means होता है geography. Geography means earth. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा? अर्थ के में जाएगा. ठीक है, तो फोटोट्रॉपिक क्या होगा भाई? जो ऊपर जाएगा वो सन के पास जाएगा, है ना, और जो नीचे जाएगा वो क्या होगा? वो अर्थ के पास जाएगा. जियो तो देख के लग रहा है विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, है ना. जियो नीचे जा रहा है, फोटो ऊपर जा रहा है. दैट इज ओनली सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. जियोट्रॉपिज्म, ट्रॉपिज्म मीन्स होता है मूव टूवर्ड्स इट. अगर फोटो कहा है तो लाइट की तरफ मूवमेंट होगा, जियो कहा है तो अर्थ की तरफ. तो रूट शोज द जियोट्रॉपिज्म एंड द शूट शोज द फोटोट्रॉपिज्म. ओके, now let's come to the next one. This is a system of a female reproductive system given and you need to tell the correct answer. So let's come to the B is what? B is nothing but the fallopian tube. A is ovary, C is uterus, D is cervix and E is vagina. Okay, a vaginal opening. Okay, let's come to the correct one. First one, oviduct. A is oviduct. No, it is wrong. A is not a oviduct. So first, B is oviduct. A is fallopian tube. Wrong. B is, in case of A, what is A? A is ovary. Ovary answer number is C. पहले देख के पता चल रहा है C आंसर, फिर भी देख लेते हैं. B is oviduct. B is oviduct of fallopian tube. The correct answer is C. I hope it is clear. In the following figure, heat is produced in the resistor on combination of resistor connected to the 12 volt बैटरी से रजिस्टर ही कॉम्बिनेशन में अटैच किए गए. You need to tell us that heat is produced in the resistor. Fine. Same in heat कैसी होगी? The following heat produced in the resistor combination resistor connected to 12 will be. Fine. अब ये सेम होगी, ये सेम होगी, ये सेम होगी. यहाँ पे 2 वोल्ट 2 ओम का रजिस्टर है बेटा, यहाँ 4 ओम का, यहाँ भी 4 ओम का है. ठीक है, सो यू नीड टू टेल विच प्रोड्यूसेस मोर हीट. सो आपको पता है मैक्सिमम यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ये तो कम ही लगा हुआ रजिस्टर, तो इसमें तो हीट ज्यादा होगी ही नहीं. यहाँ पे हो सकती है और यहाँ पे हो सकती है, बट वी ऑल नो दैट कि मैक्सिमम हीट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड व्हेन दे आर इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड वन, दैट इज द डी. Okay, next one. For a current along a straight solenoid, you know that solenoid is a long iron core, having a iron core with a copper coil. North and south positions are there. Among the following statement is correct. The field inside the solenoid in the form of straight line always बेटा. solenoid के अंदर हमेशा जो है magnetic field straight line में move करता है. ठीक है, the strong magnetic field inside the solenoid used to magnetize a piece of soft iron. फाइन. तो यू नीड टू टेल विच वन इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन है. ठीक है, ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है. द पैटर्न ऑफ द फील्ड लाइन एसोसिएटेड विद सोलिनॉइड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द पैटर्न ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड द मैग्नेट. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. ठीक है, फाइन, बिकॉज द पैटर्न इज ऑलवेज सेम, इट नेवर बी डिफरेंट. ओके, द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल एक्सचेंज पोजिशन विद द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हाईएस्ट. whenever we reverse the solenoid, the direction will be changed. So this is also correct. My incorrect option is C. Now come to the 15th one. A cylinder having length इतना है, uniform इतना है, resistance इतना है. Another conductor of 2L of same material having this length 2L. If we increase the length, then resistance will increase और resistance increase होगा. Then the area of cross section will be half. The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances for short circuiting. क्या यूज करते हैं हम? That's very easy one. हम अर्थिंग यूज करते हैं, फ्यूज यूज करते हैं, स्टेबलाइजर यूज करते हैं, यूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर. So the correct answer is we do not use this. We use the fuse to prevent our electrical appliances. अब हमारे पास आते हैं assertion और reasons. That's very easy. 2 मिनट में हो जाएंगे ये, ठीक है. पहला assertion पढ़ते हैं. The balancing of a chemical equation is based on the law of conservation of mass. Very much correct. The total mass of a reactant is always equal to the total mass of a product. This is very much true and this is the correct explanation. Answer number A. ठीक है, यही लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास कहता है जो एंटनी लोवशियर ने दिया था बेटा. तो इसमें क्या कहता है कि जो रिएक्टेंट का मास है वो हमेशा प्रोडक्ट के मास के बराबर होता है. तो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ट्रू एंड दिस वन इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. नाउ कम टू द 18th वन. In humans, sex of the body is determined by the time of fertilization. When the sperm of X chromosome fertilize the egg, the zygote develops into female condition X and X. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, this is correct. And reason: when a sperm carries Y chromosome fertilized, the zygote becomes XY. Okay, this is also correct. कि जब स्पर्म जो है वो एक्स लेके आएगा तो और जाइगोट में मिलेगा तो जाइगोट जो जाइगोट फॉर्म होगा वो XX होगा एंड दैट विल बी अ गर्ल चाइल्ड. कंबाइंस विद द एग कंटेनिंग एक्स सो इट फॉर्म्स XY दैट विल बी अ बॉय. सो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू बट द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज नॉट देयर. बोथ आर स्टेटमेंट्स. सो हियर द आंसर नंबर इज बी. इसका आंसर है बी. ओके, स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू बट दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, now let's come to the 19th one. Blood pressure is the arterial blood pressure. Blood pressure is the arterial blood pressure. It is correct. arteries का जो blood pressure होता है उसी को हम blood pressure कहते हैं. ठीक है, क्यों कहते हैं उसको blood pressure? क्योंकि arteries they take oxygenated blood to the whole body. Okay, it is measured by sphygmomanometer. ये भी ठीक है मगर इसका correct explanation थोड़ी ना है ये. This is by the instrument and this is blood pressure. So again the answer is B. Both are correct but this is not the correct explanation. Now the last question of this 20 MCQs. The current carrying wire deflect a magnetic needle placed near it. This is very much correct. ठीक है, ठीक है, हमेशा ऐसे होता है. करंट कैरिंग वायर के पास अगर आप एक मैग्नेटिक निडल लेके आते हैं तो वो डिफ्लेक्शन शो करती है. ठीक है, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एग्जिस्ट अराउंड द करंट. इसका मतलब क्या है, क्यों डिफ्लेक्शन शो करती है? क्योंकि क्या है, वहां पे एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. So my correct answer of the last question is A. Why? Because this is the correct explanation why the needle shows a deflection in the compass. So I hope all the 20 questions are very beneficial to you and this has helped you in your examination. Thank you for watching, children, and I'll discuss some more questions based on MCQs. Thank you.